Alright guys, today I'm going to go over land leveling checkouts, just to make sure you guys know how to do them, just so that you guys can do them, because I can't go and do all land leveling checkouts. I just don't have the time to do that. Anyways, on this land leveling design we had a north field and a south field, so north, south. And all I did when I got on site was I set up my survey equipment. You could use a laser level, you could use Trimble survey equipment, you could use a Topcon, you could even use a dumpy level. You don't need any specialized equipment for this. So all I did when I got there was I set up my base station. This is a aerial of the field before it was land leveled, and I set up my base station here. There was some existing benchmarks that I shot. There was one about right here and another one in the corner of the field, so I made sure to shoot those. Then I went and I for the south field, I gridded it out in every 100 feet, so each one of these X's is 100 foot or so. And then I went due east 100 foot and then I went and did cross sections. So 100 by 100 foot grids here. On this field it was a little bit longer field and I didn't want to do 100 by 100, so I did every 200 feet in the east-west direction and 100 feet north-south. And I just took shots every 100 feet and I paced it out. So for the south field I walked 33 steps because it's about 100 feet, put a flag, put another flag, put another flag, did the same thing on the north boundary, 100 feet, flag, 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 flag. And I used those flags when I needed to go do north and south on these sections. I used the flags for line. You can also just use another person as line. You can have them stand at 100 foot and then you just walk straight to them, or use a fence post as line and just walk to it every 100 feet. So that's what I did. After I got all those shots done, I imported them in AutoCAD. If you did them with the dumpy level, all you're going to be doing is looking at your computations within your survey book and doing what exactly I did after. So what I did after was I went and I got a cross section. Even though I got many cross sections for the north field, I just used 4 of them. So I did a cross section here, 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 and here. And the values that associated with them for the north field were, the top of the field was 5958.38 and the bottom was 5956.51. So I subtracted those elevations and I divided by the distance, which is from here to here. So I subtracted this elevation from this one, divided by the total distance. I did that 4 times. And this field was designed to 0.4%. So I found that after I got the difference in elevation divided by the distance, I got 0.004. So that's what it needed to be. After doing that 4 times, the average of those was 0.0039. So that's good enough. 4% is the grade. That's fine. Same thing for the south field, but on the south field I took 3 cross sections, and I took the difference elevation from here to there, divided it by the distance, and I came up with, for the first one, a grade of 0.005, and that's what it's supposed to be. It's 0.5% is the grade of the field. And when I got the average, it was 0.0048. So that's pretty dang close. So that met. The last thing that I did that I have to do is when you're using someone else's survey, or you're checking out someone else's survey, you need to get their original survey, and you have to, this is my survey here. I took a shot on their benchmark, which is here. Now you're gonna get the original survey and you're gonna see what elevation that was, and whatever, if my shot was 5900 today and the shot that they took on their benchmark was 5902, then I just need to make all my elevations 2 feet higher to match to their BM. So once you get a benchmark shot, let's just call it 100, you're going to just see all the elevations on your survey, at least for your cross sections. They're within 1/10 of a foot to check out. So for instance, my elevation here, let's say it's 100, and let's say that this elevation here needs to be 95. Well, when I go shoot it, if it's 95.2, or sorry, if it's 95.1 or 94.9, then we're within tolerance. We'll do that same thing for all the points here. If this point here needs to be 89, it has to either be 89.1 or 88.9. So we have to be that within that 0.1 foot tolerance. So that's the last thing you would check out within your checkout, and make sure it's fine. But that's it for checking out a land leveling design. Now you all can do it. If you have trouble doing it, even after watching this video, just let me know and I can clarify anything that I may have not covered.